Hi, hello, how are you kids? I hope you all are safe. As before going to the topic, we should do warm exercise. Okay, children, everyone sit in your place. Sit, sit straight, ma. Keep your backbone straight. Close your eyes. Breathe in, breathe out. 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 Rub your hands, put on your eyes and slowly open your eyes. Clap your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Clap. Stop. 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 Okay, children. Yeah, children, yesterday you learned kgs, milligrams, grams. Yes or no? See, for example, I will show you today example of grams. Okay. See, this is iodex box. Yes. How many grams it has? See, children, this is iodex box. Yes. How many grams it has? 40 grams. Yes. This is less than kg. Yes or no? Only 40 grams it has. Okay. This is powder, Pond's powder. See how many grams it has? 100 grams. Yes. 100 grams of powder this. See. This is also mg. I told you. mg. Tablets. Yes. How many mg here they added? You can observe. Okay. mg means what? Milligram. Okay. Next. See this one. This is Ole cream. Yes. How many grams it has? See. 20 grams. See, children. This one gum bottle. Yes. Gum bottle. How many grams it has? See, 30 grams. Yes. Next, this one gel. Okay. How many grams it has? See, 200 grams. How many? How much? 200 grams. Okay. Next, this one. Glycerin. See how many grams it has? 100 grams. How many? 100 grams. See this one? Savlon. Yes. How many grams? 170 grams. Understood? See, grams will use like this. Okay. Again, jewelry. Already you know. 100. See. Jewelry. When you measuring the jewelry, you will use grams. Yes, grams and milligrams. Okay. And for 10 grams is equal to 1 tula. You know na? 10 grams is equal to 1 tula, like that. Okay, children, these are example for grams. Grams and milligrams. Okay. See, children, this is example of kg. Okay, salt. Salt packet. See, this is 1 kg. 1 kg. Not only salt packet, you can observe in your home, your mother will bring tur dal, rice, wheat. Okay, you observe. Okay, everyone should check. See, this is onions. This is also kg. See, this is 3 kgs of onions. Okay, example of this kgs. Okay, children, these are example of, see, already I told you grams, milligrams, and this is kgs. Okay, children, see these are all example of milliliters. Okay, milliliters. See, how many milliliter here given? 12. As 12 milliliter. ml means what? Milliliter. Small amount. Okay. Next, this one, 200 ml. 200 ml milliliter. 200 milliliter of this. Okay. Next, this one, 35 ml. What is this? 35 ml. 200 ml less than 35. Yes. This is milliliters. Okay. See this one. How many milliliters? Here 100 ml. This is 100 ml bottle. Okay. These are liquids. Okay. This one also 100 ml. Understood, children? These are liquid. Liquid means what? Water type. Okay. Here, this one, 250 ml. 250 ml. Okay. This one, 750 ml. What is this? 750 ml pouch. Okay. This is 750 ml pouch. These are milliliters. Okay. See, this bottle capacity is 1 liter. Understood? This bottle capacity is 1 liter. See, milliliter is less than liter. Understood? This bottle capacity is 1 liter. See, this glass capacity 100 ml. 100 ml. Understood? This bowl capacity 150 ml, because glass is less than this bowl. Understood? This bowl capacity is 150 ml. See, this mug. This mug capacity is 200 ml. This mug capacity is 200 ml. Understood, children? This bottle capacity is 1 liter. Okay. See, this bucket. How many liters can pour water in this bucket? 15 liters of water we can pour in this bucket. Understood? This mug, 1 liter. 1 liter of water we can pour. This type of mugs 15 times we can pour in this bucket. Children, measurement. Okay. 9.3. See, recall that we use vessels and containers of different sizes. Already I showed. See, this is bowl. Yes. This is glass. Different sizes. Yes. And spoon. These are different sizes. Okay, children. See this bottle. This also different size. This mug. This is also different size. Okay. See, a tub can hold more water than bucket. Yes or no? Tub is this much of big. Bucket is this much. Okay. Tub can hold more than water per bucket. Water than a bucket. Yes. Similarly, a bucket can hold more water than a jug. You know jug. Yes. Already I told you. Jug is small. Smaller than bucket. Yes. Next. A capacity or volume of a container is quantity of water or any other liquid that it can hold. Understood? There are different types of vessels based their capacity. Glasses, bottles, jugs and so on. These are called non-standard unit of measure liquid. Understood, children? These are non-standard unit of measure liquid. Understood? Standard unit of measure liquid, what is that? Milliliter, liters, kiloliters. Already I told you. Yes? You should write in the classwork, ma. Milliliters. Milliliters. Small quantities of liquid such as tonics, doses, are measured in milliliters. We can written as ml. Already I told you. See? Yes, this bottle. See here. 250 ml. Yes, this pouch 750 ml. Yes, this one 200 ml. Yes, 200 ml. This one 100 ml. Yes or no, children? Already I told you. These are liquid items. Okay. Next. Quantity of oil, milk, juice, fruit juice are so on measured in liters. Yes, liters. Quantity of oil, milk, fruit juice, fruit juices and so on are measured in liters. Okay, we written as L. Understood, children? Write in the classwork, ma. Over. Now kiloliters. Kiloliters means what? KL. Kiloliters, third one. See, large quantity, larger quantity, larger quantities such as petrol in tankers are measured in kiloliters. Not only petrol tankers, your water tanker also. Kiloliters, water tank. You know na sump. We can pour water kiloliters only. Written as KL. Understood? Write fast. Okay children, take out your textbook ma. See, observe these containers and order them based on their capacity. Write one for the smallest container. See, which one is your smallest? Spoon is the smallest. You should write here 1. After spoon, which one is small? Glass. S. Glass and mug, both are same. S. Next, after that,